In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a consent form to your surveys using Surveymonkey in just 5 minutes. This simple step can add a layer of professionalism and clarity for your survey respondents, ensuring that they are fully informed before participating. First, you need to log in to your Surveymonkey account and open the survey you're working on. Once you're in, you'll be able to see the survey dashboard, which offers various options and settings to customize your survey. Next, you'll want to navigate to the top of the page and click on the plus build button. This feature allows you to add new content and questions to your survey. Once you click Build, look for an option labeled View More. This will open up a range of question types you can choose from. From these options, select Multiple Choice as the question type. Choosing multiple choice is essential here because it allows you to create a straightforward question where participants can opt into the survey. Now, in the question field, you should write a clear consent statement. Something simple and to the point works best. A statement like, I consent to participate in this survey. This lets the respondents know exactly what they're consenting to. Underneath this statement, you'll need to add a single response option. A common phrase used here is, I agree. By keeping it simple and direct, your participants can easily understand their choice and proceed without any confusion. Next, an important step to ensure compliance and clarity. Toggle the option that says, require an answer to this question to the on position. By doing so, you're making it mandatory for respondents to actively agree before they continue with the survey. This is crucial for ethical data collection as it respects the autonomy and decision of the participants. For added visibility, it can also be helpful to place this consent question right at the beginning of your survey. While this step is optional, by situating it up front, you ensure each participant concentrates solely on the consent before addressing other questions. This helps underline the importance of the consent process. After structuring your consent question to your satisfaction, it's time to solidify your work. Click on the Save button to ensure all your changes are securely recorded. This way, you avoid losing any progress and your survey remains ready for distribution. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a consent mechanism to your Surveymonkey survey. This not only enhances the credibility of your research, but also promotes ethical practices by ensuring all respondents are informed and willing participants. Thank you for watching, and happy surveying.